Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's an 18 by 24 inch canvas and an oxo omelet turning flip and spool spatula. Wow. This is some Anitas white metallic, which I probably just put way too much of on there. But that might make it interesting. And I'm going to spread it around. I had a layer of Artist Loft dry on the canvas. I'm not going to worry about taking it off. I'm going to get what I get. I want to make an abstract expressionist piece of art. I just made what started out as the same but wound up being a geometric. There is a goodly amount of this on here. And I'm thinking I'm just going to add a whole bunch of colors, a whole bunch of places, similar to the one I just did. And then wait and finish it in another stage at another time, which will still be in this video because I've learned how to merge videos finally. And I've got some playing cards standing by for swipe cards, and I can always use my spatula. So we've got a fairly decent covering layer without any lumps that I can see. And we're well covered without any canvas or any of the original white showing through, I don't believe. Except for where I keep knocking my fingernail against it. Okay, I'm going to throw that in the bucket. I've still got another one left. So, this is sour lemon with some orange crush in it. This is jasmine, which is looking like it's not very open, which is not good. Random marking. I've got some Tuscan Sun. All these, the jasmine is a primary element, the Tuscan Sun is a Prizm pour, as is the sour lemon. Use a little orange crush, which is also feeling like it wants to be seized up. I've got some Chantilly lace. Orange crush is a Prizm pour, Chantilly lace is a Prizm pour. That is plugged up also. I shouldn't have left the tops open, evidently. Who knows how this is going to turn out. This is African Violet. I think I'm going to bring in some Egyptian blue. Got a little Tempting Tulip. Egyptian blue is a Prizm pour. Tempting Tulip is a primary element. I'm just adding colors where it feels like it's the right thing to do. This is Wild Orchid. I've got some Frostbite Prizm primary element with Vivid Intense Ultramarine blue in it. And no matter what this starts out looking like, it's got a good chance of getting black lines added to it in the future, but You can never tell what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw in some saffron, another Prizm pour. And I think I have just about enough color to start. So I'm going to grab a playing card, and I could swipe with cell activator, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to dip in, go back, see how many places I can add color to. With just my residuals. No matter where I start, I'll be obviously adding things. It's time to turn the card sideways. That was bad. The Anitas I have been warned will mute things. I'm just going to grab a new card. I'm sorry I'm quiet. I meant to add some turquoise. I've got some lovely phthalo turquoise. And I suppose I probably still could at some point in the future. Because I'm missing it. Depending on how much space I have left. I don't mind stealing a little color so long as there's a lot of color in the place I want to steal from. Oops, sorry about my head. The green tape has a marble attached to it, and it's meant to keep me from obscuring your vision. So if I put some of that turquoise down here at the bottom, in theory I can also motivate it around. I don't mind merging some of these marks. I'm wondering, maybe I should put the turquoise right into a dish with some maybe red violet. Another vivid, intense fluorescent. The phthalo turquoise is just a vivid, intense. Not hating it. Just Still thinking black would be cool. Time for more turquoise. Wow. Maybe a little blue this time. A little Egyptian blue in the center. I want Tempting Tulip too. Like little tiny blocks of tile or something. Now it's time to find balance. Turn my dish around every once in a while. I wonder if it should be black or gold. I'm definitely using up my paint. I made some red and that was cool. I think I'm just going to use the texture of the card to pull some paint away, as well as putting it down. Because I like the way it looks. Except for the times I make brown. Just connect the boxes. And it could be stage one if I decided, if I came up with some wonderful brainstorm about what to do with it, but I still think the black is an option. Makes me want to try it. So let's try it. It won't take much. I kind of like it. I'm not complaining. It made me think I wouldn't mind having gold in the same, added the same way. It's pretty cool. Reminds me of a 1950s mid-century modern design, I guess. It's a new series. Might be a short-lived series. little goes a long way. This is Mead and Black paint, by the way. Blackest acrylic paint I'm aware of. Outside of Stuart Semple's claim to fame. Kind of wonder if like Midnight Shadow would have been cool too. Alright, although I'd kind of like to have some gold, I've got 3 minutes to decide what I want to do, and I could do the gold. I just have to get rid of the black. Kind of like the idea of orange too. So let's do some saffron and some gold. Try the gold first, since that's what... Oh, and it's got black on the card, which is okay, it's just a new texture. We'll flip it over and see if we can avoid it. I like it though. I do like it a lot. I don't think it hurt anything having the Anitas layer in the background, especially when it came to like scuffing up some paint. A little more nervous about what happens when I add the saffron, but I'm going to keep the gold. That might be really cool. Just makes me want jasmine now. I think I'll be done though. When that timer goes off, I should have told you that I have 30 playlists of of videos, tutorials, and if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always ask me, because I have them saved and very simply. They're very retrievable for me. I still want the jasmine. Or maybe something like Love You Pink. Or maybe the Red Violet, which is not coming out anymore. Why are you not coming out? I do have a problem opening. Okay, it's not coming out. Got it. Oh, I like that. Alright, I'll see you guys anon. Actually, I might have a couple more minutes to tell you what I'm supposed to tell you. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos if you like what I do. Tune in at 10:15. Check my community board to see if I'm having a video tomorrow. I used to post 7 days a week, and right now I've started posting 5 days a week, skipping Saturdays and Wednesdays. I still think I would have liked to have some of the Midnight Shadow, but I'm not unhappy with what I've got at all, and I hope I get a chance to shimmer it at you, and I hope you're still here when I do that. I love you guys. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. If you'd like to inquire about taking a private class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or possibly purchasing an artwork, which would be incredibly helpful. There's a members only library of 140, probably going on 150 videos. I will see you guys anon. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. If you're still here, I'll shimmer this at you.